Alright everyone, welcome back to another Automotive Anatomy car meet. This time we decided to come and show some love to the Honda Royal Accords. I don't know why I started with Honda. The Royal Accords nightly, monthly meet. Man, it looks dope. I like it. OEM wheels. But yeah, it's been a long time since I picked up the DSLR, so I forgot how to use it. But yeah, made it out. Pretty cool cars. Actually pretty packed, as you guys can see. I'll try to get different angles. I'm gonna try to get like the vibe of the meet tonight. But yeah, I haven't been here in a bit. I think the last time that I was here there was like another meet at the same time, so it got really crowded, so I bounced right away. But yeah, I'm just playing with the settings of the camera. I don't want it to look too dark, but yeah, we'll get some more footage and hopefully we can capture the vibe of the meet. So Okinawa.
Ahí es donde hay puras partes del Accords.
¿Oh sí?
Sí.
Ahora la CRV chingón.
Y luego quiero ir a los Filipinos.
Wow. He hardly ever comes out. Look at that. Sick. F23 boosted. Look at this. So sick, Chris. Love that setup right there. Perfect.
That's basically what
You're like the perfect daily driver.
I had a really small dinner and I
23 boosted.
I only had like
Look at that. Very nice. Alright, so very chill night. A couple dudes came by. Look at that guy. Look at that chulo right there. Tries out white sedan. Look at him. Suato guapo. Tries out white sedan. We'll catch in a little bit. Very nice wagon we got earlier. On waffles, 5 lug. I think if I'm not mistaken, it's H-swap. Could be wrong though, but I don't know. Very cool. What is this? An 8th gen, I believe. Love this one so much. Now we saw it earlier, or last time we were here. Very clean cars. Very nice fitment on it. Camera doesn't do justice, but very nice fitment. Homie Allen, one of the main organizers. His brother's car, the red one right here, got stolen about a month or 2 months ago. I don't know, but very unfortunate. But they were able to find it, and apparently the only thing they did was take off the cat, so everything else is still intact. So I'm so glad that he has it. So glad that he's driving it. So glad he didn't give up on the Accord game. But very mellow night. The weather's perfect. Man, so nice. Last time I came, he didn't have his wheels. I think he had OEM wheels. They also have a pair of Blitz wheels that I think Alan rocked on his car for a little bit. I can't remember. Yeah, he did. Yeah, he did. And those Blitz wheels, they won't let them go. I think they're 15-inch. I think I asked them last time, like, hey, would you be willing to sell them? But I think I could be wrong. The plan was to put them on this red car, but they somehow ended up with these ones, and they're freaking cool, man. Very nice. It goes very well with the car, this burgundy color. So, but I think the Blitz also would give a different look. And then a 6th gen, we've seen a couple times. Very clean, very simple. Another 6th gen. Yeah, man, it's been cool talking to Alan. It's always a fun time with that guy, man. He's joking all the time. They use this car as for the Flyer. Very nice coupe. Slam. Our buddy AJ came through. Haven't seen this car in a bit. I don't remember. I think I saw him for a split second at the Cars and Coffee that we went to, and Oscar also went. But then I dipped. I did look for them for like 2 seconds, and then I didn't see them, so I was all right. Time to leave. You know how I am. Get there early and leave early. I do apologize if the camera doesn't have the best quality. I tried messing with the settings. I guess I haven't got the settings right. Haven't used this camera in over maybe at least 3 weeks for sure. So again, big apologies. I'm trying to do the focusing, but it's not doing it properly. Did you say so quiet?
Yeah.
She's so gangster. I dig it. It's gonna save the day by helping jumpstart a car. So sick. Ow! Don't go crash into somebody. So sick. Look at that. I love his car. He's kind enough to let me sit and feel the new steering wheel that he has. Pretty cool. Show me all the little moves that he ended up doing for his mirrors. He ended up going with the GTC inspired ones, and I guess they're not plug and play, so you have to do quite a bit of work. Man, this car's nice. Is this Ernesto? How are you confusing him? I don't think it's him. I'm tripping out. But yeah. That's the dope. I like this one a lot. But yeah, for the mirror, he has to do quite a bit of work on it. Super chill night, man. I love Southern Cali. I miss these night meets. So I made sure that I made the effort to come out. Oh, that one looks nice. I think I saw this one on the freeway a long time ago. I saw this one, yeah, cruising a long time ago. Or somebody posted in a store and they're like, whose guy is this? Sick, with the rotiform wheels. I really like the stance on it. I dig it. A couple of the guys move their cars. Take some pictures here. If I'm not mistaken, a lot of the members are going to be moving their cars, as you guys can hear them, so that way they can take some pictures here. Oh yeah. Hey guys. Oh, that's so nice. I like that one. He was having an issue, I think, when he started her earlier. I'm glad he's moving now. Hopefully it doesn't destroy his front lip. That driveway is very steep. Oh, I like that strip at the bottom of the headlight. It's very nice. I always enjoy seeing cars that just slam on OEM wheels, or some type of OEM wheel. It's like gives it that perfect daily feel. But we all get the bug to want to put different aftermarket wheels after a while. But once you put some OEM wheels on some cars, it just looks so nice. They ride nice too. Couple newer Accords, hang out. Very nice. Nice slam again, OEM wheels.